Hello student, so let's start studying 12th geography today. There are a total of 8 chapters in the subject of geography. The first of these chapter is Population Geography Part 1. Introduction. Geography studies humans and their interactions with their environments. The study of population is a part of human geography under a branch called population geography. Population geography studies human population and its distribution and pattern on the Earth's surface. Their qualitative and quantitative compositions is also studied in the subject. The way the population influences the economy and the development of a region are also the point of study in geography. In this chapter, we will study humans as a resource. The second point is distribution of population. The next example solved before studying this point. Try this. Observe the pie chart shown in figure number 1.1 carefully and answer the following question. Pie chart 1, percent of total land mass. Pie chart 2, population distribution. Question number 1 is, which continent has the least population? Answer is Australia. Which continent has the least landmass and also the least population? Australia. Which continent has the most landmass as well as most of the population? Answer is Asia. Which continent is missing in one of the pie chart or why? Answer: the Antarctica continent is not in a divided circle of population distribution because it's a cold desert. Geographical explanation. Human population is unevenly distributed throughout the world. In the year 2019, the world's population turned to be around 7.7 billion. Continent-wise population distribution is as follows. North America, South America, that account for around 28% of the landmass, barely support 18% of the population. Europe has around 7% land and supports 5% of the population. Africa has around 21% land and supports 17% of the population. Asia occupies about 30% of the landmass and supports around 60% of the population. Australia has around 6% of the world's land but does not even support 1% of the population. Antarctica occupies around 9% of the landmass but has no permanent human settlement. The distribution of land and population can be better understood not just in terms of numbers living in a region but also in terms of people living in an unit area. This is called population density. Formula is as follows. Density of population is equal to total population divided by total area in bracket in square kilometer. Give it a try. Table number 1.1 shows the 10 most populated countries in the world in 2018 with their areas. Calculate their population densities and complete the table. Observe table number 1.1. Number 1 China, population density 1.48. Number 2 India 4.11. Number 3 United States of America USA 0.34. Number 4 Indonesia 1.40. Number 5 Pakistan 2.38. Number 6 Brazil 0.24. Number 7 Nigeria 2.13. Number 8 Bangladesh 10.73. Number 9 Russia 0.08. And lastly 10 number Mexico 0.63. Countries with low population density: United States of America, Brazil, Russia, Mexico. Below area. Countries with median population density: China, India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nigeria. Median, and Bangladesh above. Geographical explanation: patterns of population distribution in the world. Looking at the pie chart given in figure number 1.1 and table 1.1 together, we can conclude the following. We find that population and population densities both are unequally distributed in the world. When you look at the regions with large populations, it is explicitly visible. Patterns of population distribution and density help us to understand the demographic characteristics of any area. The term population distribution refers to the way people are spread over the Earth's surface. Figure 1.2. Make friends with maps. Look at the map in figure number 1.2. Compare it with the physical map of the world given in the book on page 83. Try to understand the impact of physical factor on population distribution. Complete the table accordingly. One has been done for you as an example. Table number 1.2. North America, coastal area, forest, desert, snow-covered land. Row second. South America, central area, mountain, river, forest. Europe, coastal and central, mountain, snow-covered land. Africa, northeast, southeast and central area, desert, Sahel plain and plateau. Asia, river basin, mountain, desert. Australia, coastal area, desert and mountains. Lastly, Antarctica, North area, cold desert and ranges. Geographical explanation. We will compare the distribution of the world population with physical factor. We observe the following points. Snow-covered regions around the north and the south poles are sparsely populated. Even hot deserts have low population. The mountainous and hilly regions are also less populated. Coastal regions and plains are highly populated. In some river valleys like the Amazon, population is sparsely distributed. It means that there are factors other than physical factors like forests that influence population distribution. Can you think of the factors besides physiography which affect the distribution of population? Make a list. Geographical factors affecting population distribution. Here are some physical and human factors affecting the distribution of population. Fill in suitable examples of countries or regions in the table 1.3. Two examples have been solved for your convenience. Table 1.3, first column is physical or human factor, second column is high density, and last column is low density. Number 1, relief, flat, lowland, example Ganga plain. Mountainous area, example Himalaya. Number 2, climate, monsoon, example India. Desert, example Africa, Sahara Desert. Number 3, availability of resources, mineral, example UAE and petrol, diesel, etc. Plateau, example all countries. Economic, business and financial center, example Tokyo. Low economic growth, example Louisiana. 5 number, social, religion, language, tribe, government policies, partition, example India and Pakistan. Migration, example Fulani and Ladakh. Cultural, number 7, Indus and Hoang-ho River, Inca. Geographical explanation. Following factors determine population distribution. Physical factor.